Hey everybody, welcome back to eBase Production. So for this video, we're not gonna be doing a whole lot except for some target practice.
Keeping it light and breezy. See who's got the best aim?
Yeah, sure. So basically, this is going to be our target. Is this? So we got like our outer ring here, our middle ring, and that's like a bullseye right there. So we have nothing else. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. So
fuck nowhere.
yeah, literally nowhere. So we're sort of limited on resources right now, and that's all we had that we could use. So yeah, this is going to correspond with a future video that we are going to upload involving airsoft rifles. So just be aware for that. You guys got anything to add?
Well, let's get some target practice and see.
You good?
I want McDonald's.
I mean, I do too. I'm kind of hungry, I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, you see this bad boy? It's gonna kick your ass.
Let's see it.
I don't fucking think so.
Yeah? You wanna fucking go? You know what?
Yeah, let's fucking go.
There.
You know what? Do you want me to shoot you in the fucking nuts? Oh, it's empty, that's why. Okay. That's me giving an audio. Okay, we're going?
Alright, so 5 shots each.
Sure.
Alright, 5 shots. So how do we want to score it? Like,
Let's do 1, 5, 10.
1, 5, 10? Okay.
Sure. No, way up. Oh yeah, that was 1. Let's go look. Okay, so I hit there.
Those two?
I think so, yeah. Okay, so that's 2 points. Is this? Oh yeah, it was loaded. Okay. That was definitely a 5. I think that was a 5.
Alright, so those are your 5 shots.
So I got 5. I got 8.
Alright.
8 points for me. Make sure you got, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, go. Cool. Are you ready? 0.
1.
1.
5. I think. Maybe. We'll check.
Kinda looks like 1. I don't know. Last shot.
No, this is 4, isn't it?
Sure. Alright, last shot.
There's 1 as well. Holy fuck.
Having fun there, big boy?
There we go.
Wait. Hayden, was this you?
Sorry?
Was this you?
That was me, yeah.
This was me here, I think. Or maybe you.
That was mine.
I got here. I don't know exactly. I think I got 4.
Alright. Hayden, gimme. Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker.
I think that was a 1.
I think that just got the top corner.
I missed.
Yeah, I can see. I'm not that Asian.
You can't see. That went in the box.
So what are we calling that?
We'll call that in the box.
That should be like 20 then.
A 20? I knew I should have brought my actual pelly gun. I have no idea where that hit.
I think that was a 5er.
Alright.
Wait, what?
No idea where that hit.
Yeah, me neither. There's a bug on my face.
Oh! No, that wasn't. That was right on the tip of the bullseye.
Oh.
I don't know if that counts or not. I'm gonna leave that up to you guys.
Wait, well, that was your shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gotta be a fucking 10.
That's a 10?
I'd say so, yeah. 5. 10. Yeah.
I didn't get it again, did I?
You got right. Oh, just on the outside.
Oh, I can't.
That's a 5er.
Holy shit.
Don't shoot me.
I'll do it again.
Was that another bullseye? Fucking hell.
So you're at 15. Or no,
Am I like 17?
you're at 20.
I
Like
don't
on this
fucking
round.
know.
Oh, that's a 1.
I feel like that was more than 5 shots.
So that was 16 points on that round. You know, we should.
Oh, Cole. You dumb cunt. Alright. Yeah, that was way up.
Yeah.
That was way up again.
Oh my god.
Are you using the scope?
No.
Use the
3,
scope.
4, that was 1. Oh, that was
1.
Who's go?
Yeah, that's me. All right.
Jesus Christ. Ah, there we go. You know, we gotta come camping up here.
Yeah. All right.
Woo! That didn't count.
All right. Who's going up there to watch?
Oh, sure. As long as you don't shoot me.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Make sure the GoPro.
You're my ride. Excuse me, sir. I should probably load it, shouldn't I?
Probably. That was a 1. That was a 5. That was a 5. That was a 5.
So that's
16.
4 shots, 1 more shot to go.
I didn't see where that
That was
went.
5.
That was 21.
Who's the bottom, yeah.
21, 21, 21.
21.
Place.
You want to go up by my place?
And do target practice, yeah.
Oh,
We cannot do that.
Oh, you can't?
No. We'll get in a lot of shit.
Quinoa.
A quinoa.
What do you got?
Do it. Do the quinoa. Oh my god, he had such a pigeon snout. It's wide angle.
Oh my god.
Look at this goal.
You saying I got a beak, boy?
Yeah, you do got a beak.
Thank you.
Okay.
Your nose looks so smooth. Oh my god, you look like a fucking
What?
pirate.
Oh, R.
Come here, Cole.
Oh my god.
This is definitely going in. What do I? Those need to come off.
Looks like a pigeon. Oh my god, what the hell? You look like Sloth from the Goonies. Hey, you guys. You look like that one dude at summer camp that sleeps by himself. You know, no one wants to touch him. The sheets are all sticky and gross.
Okay. Holy shit. There's quite a few of them in there.
Let's see the aftermath here. We got a couple in there.
Well, yeah, some of them actually went through. Fuck you, grass. You whore.
Well, you're gonna start swelling up like crazy now?
Yeah, actually, because I'm allergic. Probably not, but...
Allergies are for the weak.
Hello, Akbar.
What?
Huh?
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, now stop. Oops. Okay, don't forget your water bottle. Fucking hell. I have like this snot rocket right in the fucking back of my snot, like my snout. And it's not coming out. Oh, I think it came out. Oh yeah, that one came out too. Wonderful. Okay, so for the viewers, just to film that. It took all of this time to walk up this fucking hill.
Hey, I just want to say something to the camera right now.
Okay.
I'm 195 and they expect me to walk all the fucking way up here, uphill. And like, you better subscribe, you better like, you better comment, you better share it to everybody you know? Just blow us up.
Yes, that would be much appreciated. And it's not like...
Unless you're brown, then don't blow us up.
It's not like we just get all this shit given to us. We literally spend our hard-worked money to make these videos happen.
Hard worked?
Yeah.
Hard-earned idiot.
Hard-worked money, hard-earned... Fucking retard.
See, that's for the viewers right there, you know? I don't care if I break all my toes. I'm still gonna film. I'm gonna put my blood, sweat, tears, and a couple bucks into it. Quite literally a couple.
I was gonna say it, but I didn't want to be a dick.
Oh no, I expect it from you. You're my little dick.
Hold this.
Yeah. If you'd like to, you know what? Let's start a GoFundMe to get Hayden a better vehicle, so he can drive up here next time.
Fuck, I wouldn't mind a GoFundMe page.
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be all, you're gonna be looking at my crotch for a second here. Just...
Sorry, ladies, be faking.
Not like anybody would want me anyways.
Hey, you've gotten a few people.
God, he doesn't want my whip.
Oh my god, I'm getting the cramps from walking down the fucking hill.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why, it's weird.
Huh. Oh, okay, your car would definitely not make it up this. I don't know, man.
You know, it's a Honda Civic. It might.
I think it's too low, don't you think?
Yeah, probably. Well, I could have... Okay, if I were to bring my car up here, I would just grab a couple rocks, smaller rocks, put it up there so I could climb.
My car would make it up here if I went 5 miles an hour. So
Okay, we're in Canada, retard. It's kilometers.
Yeah, I hate it when people use fucking miles. You know what really fucking pisses me off? Americans!
Oh, they have to implement a fucking new imperial system, you know, changing everything. They can't be like everyone else. Fuck Americans.
You know what fucking pisses me off? European wall plugs! Why do they have to be so fucked looking? Yeah, we are very fucked up people.
Tomato slicers.
What?
I tried to go put them away.
Hey, no, that should be Cole. That should be Cole saying that, because look at his finger. He literally, for our viewers, he literally chopped the tip of his finger off with a tomato slicer at work.
There was supposed to be a guard though.
You grabbed it by the blade, you retard.
Yeah, that's not sweet.
There's a handle and there's a blade. You grabbed the handle and the blade. You wrapped your hand around it completely. Then it just went...
Hey Cole, I think the only thing that needs a guard here is you.
Probably.
You're a retard.
Speaking of which, I should take this off, see how it looks.
Yes, I actually want to see.
It's probably not that, it's not that bad anymore, but it was bad.
I want to see how much your finger got taken off.
Oh, what if the end is still like dangling off there?
Dangling off. Ah!
If it hurts, don't do it.
Well, it doesn't hurt that bad.
No, it doesn't hurt that bad. Is it off?
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
Camera time.
Oh, it's just a flesh wound.
Oh.
You didn't need to go to the hospital.
Aw.
Well, now it is. There's no fucking nail.
Yeah, it's that is pretty gnarly.
Should just
Here.
cauterize it on the grill.
Yeah, exactly. It's stuck around the flat top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is it furry?
Why is it furry? Because it's furry, friends.
Oh, your fingers are molding.
Why is it brown? Oh, I kind of stuck my finger up my ass earlier.
Oh, that one.
Not that one. What?
Yeah, he used his
Kidding.
he used his ET pointer finger that's like 10 feet long and stuck it up his butt.
Kidding.
You're like Pinocchio. When you lie, your finger just gets bigger. You just lie to yourself. Just stick your finger up your ass. Just grows like 5.5 feet.
Jeez. I'm a real boy. Whoop.
I'm a real boy. Fuck, I don't got a dick though.
Then you're not a real boy. You're a Jedi.
I'm not a real boy. I'm a retard. Why is there a bag?
Oh, someone just got a little liquored.
Yeah, there's, I don't know if you guys could see that. Okay, was this here when we came up? I didn't see it.
Probably.
I fucking hope so. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of fucking garbage here. We gotta come up here and go camping.
Yeah, for sure. But we gotta go all the way down.
Oh, we're almost at the bottom.
Not here.
Yeah, this is almost the bottom.
No, like,
Yeah, this is where your car
like don't go camping up here. Go camping like at where we have like grass.
Yeah.
Because that's way more open field. and we can
Okay,
do
so
stuff.
this is where my car was able to go, just down here. But as you guys can see, that's it's quite the drop.
Pretty hefty drop.
And especially that the fact that I'm in a Honda Civic, it just doesn't work.
Nope.
So it was right here where I ended up having to back up. You can see even my tire tracks on the ground there. I fucking,
Did you carry everything?
hell yeah.
I'm gonna carry.
But no, I fucking was driving up here and hit this rock, started to bottom out here. So I had to fucking back up and turn around. Shit, I'll take that.
asshole.
Hold that for seconds.
I sort of forgot. I'm not gonna lie.
I forget your uncle touches you.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is my Honda Civic. I want to make sure I don't have a flat.
Oh.
Actually, you know what? I got beverage back here.
Yeah. Roar, I'm a dinosaur.
I'm a Filipino. Apparently, Hayden is putting the GoPro through.
He's wedging the phone into his window so he can record, as you can see.
It might work.
It might work, but I'm also a little afraid that a cop's gonna roll by and give
Yeah.
him shit for that.
Nah, that's fine.
Is the way gonna be supported?
It's legal.
Is it?
I believe so.
Well, you
Hey,
just...
there's a new season of Family Guy. This is what my finger currently looks like from my tomato incident.
Okay.
Working?
Yep.
Alright. So you will see the GoPro recording us.
So how do you guys think that went?
I'll turn that bass up.